Hello everybody, I am Asad Zaman Viswas. Today I came to have discussion about your JavaScript. Today I like to show you an example of looping to make your concept clear about it. Today what I like to do, I like to determine the maximum number within the given numbers, right? Maximum and minimum number. So let us show you this with this JavaScript. So let us start your script tag. Language is JavaScript. Okay, so script tag is closed. Okay, so what is our topic today? I'd like to discuss about what maximum and minimum number, right, within a given number. Okay, so first what we do, we will make an array. What we do, we will make an array. Okay, so let us write down ARR is the array. Okay, so this array will contain some numbers, suppose 10, 5, 20, 7, 18. Suppose these are the numbers within an array, right? Now what we do, we determine which number is the maximum number within this given number inside the array, right? So first let us take a variable that is your max num. Okay, this variable contain the maximum number. Okay, let us keep some value within it, 0. Okay, now what we will do, we will use your for loop for our looping. Okay, so in for loop what we will do, we will take, using for loop we will take each value from array one by one and we will compare with the value inside max num variable, right? So let us start the loop. How to start loop? Loop will start, the index of array starts from 0, so obviously root will start from 0, right? And this loop will continue up to the length of the array, means array dot length. That means it will continue until it works with the last number of the array, right? And after each rotation it will be incremented 1. Alright, okay, so inside this loop we will do checking. We will do checking. What checking? What checking? If the number of array, okay, if the data or number, whatever you say in the array is greater than this max num variable data, in that case what we will do, we will replace the value of max num variable with this data, right? That means what I was saying about at very beginning there is 0 inside I, so here I means 0, that means it means add 0. Add 0 means the first number, right? The first number is 10. 10 is greater than, inside max num there is 0. So this condition is true because 10 is greater than 0. Because 10 is greater than 0, this condition is true, right? This condition is true. That's why what we do, we will replace 10, that means we will store inside this variable 10, that means we will replace 0 by 10, right? In the same way again it will come back to here, I will be incremented, so it will become 1, that means here add 1, right? Add 1 means 5. So what does it mean here now? 5 is greater than 10. This condition is not true. That's why it will not go inside, right? Again I will be incremented and it will become 2. Condition is still true because length of the array is 5 and I is 2. 2 is less than 5. Condition is true. So this loop will continue and it will check ARR2 means 0, 1, 2. 2 means 20. 20 is greater than 10. That means this condition is true. That's why 10 will be replaced by 20 inside this max num variable, right? Now again this I will be incremented and it will become 3 till yet the condition is true, because 3 is less than 5, the condition is true. So that's why what will happen, again the condition will be checked. So in 3 location there is 7 is greater than 20, condition is false, so there will be no replacement. So again this one will be incremented. 3 will become I will become 4. 4 is less than 5, condition is true. So in 4th location there is 18. 18 is greater than 20, condition is false. That's why there will be no replacement. So inside max name the value will remain 20. So 20 inside max name there is 20, right? So let us show the value. We can show the value inside a large box. So whatever inside max name after the loop will be the maximum number. So we can write it down here, this inside the string, that the maximum number is, or the highest number is, whatever you say. I should say here maximum number is, the highest number is HEIGHST, highest number is. Let us go to the output and check it. Save it. Look, the highest number is 20. In a similar way, we can find out the minimum number, means the lowest number. How? Let me copy it and paste it here. Here I write down not greater than, it will be less than, right? So here I write down the lowest number is. Now let us save and go to output. The maximum highest number is 20 and the lowest number is 5, right? So in this way we can determine or calculate the maximum number and minimum number within the given number. Okay, so up to this, if you have any question, ask me through comments. Obviously I will reply you, and subscribe my channel. I will come with more discussion about JavaScript and join with my discussion. So for today, goodbye everybody, goodbye.